Hi, I'm back with the Retekess TR113 radio. About a week and a half ago, I sent the nice people at Retekess who provided this radio some questions. And they responded right away, but unfortunately, I lost their email with the response. So, and I had read it initially, but I get 800 to 1,000 emails a day, mainly because I belong to a lot of users group, not that I'm popular. But anyway, so I asked them this weekend to send me the responses again, which they did, which I have for you right now. And I won't try to hold this up so you can read it. I'll read it to you. So the first question I had was, I noticed there was a function to turn off soft muting. But when I tried it, it didn't seem to work. So I asked him, okay, what is the exact process for enabling and disabling soft muting? And it's pretty simple. After entering the setting interface, which is this button right here, rotate the shuttle button to select mute enabled. Or if you've disabled, it will say mute disabled. If it says mute enabled, you can turn it off. And so I did double check that. And there is a slight improvement with the muting, but it's still there. If you turn the tuning knob really fast, it's muted. But if you turn it slow, the response time on muting is much better. So now what they did do is they did give you an option to turn muting off, but it's not really off. It's just not as bad. Okay, so that's that one. The next question I had about the ATS scan on the shortwave band. I showed you that the ATS, automatic tuning and storing feature on the shortwave band, scans the entire shortwave band with no gaps. So it takes 13 to 15 minutes, and because it's scanning the whole band, not just the international broadcast bands, it picks up a lot of noise signals. So I was asking, can you search just the international broadcast bands? And the response was, currently the ATS can only scan the entire band. If you want to search for signals more accurately, you can use key search. Press and hold the tune up or tune down for 2 seconds, and it will quickly search the band and find the next strongest signal. And then you can just do that continuous. So not really what I wanted, but that's the way it works. Next question I have was, it appeared that when you do an ATS scan, it clears your entire memory. Everything you've done before, scanning-wise, is gone. And they say, currently, it's impossible to avoid clearing memory when using ATS. Hope they change that. Next one. Oh, about the problem with the battery. Oops, stand by 1 second. I got an alarm. Oh, I got to go take out the trash. I didn't like the fact that they went with a battery pack, which is not replaceable, instead of like 18650, which was what was in previous versions of this radio. But they said, due to environmental protection laws of the United States and Europe, we use the polymer batteries in accordance with the regulations. Okay, so that's what. There's also a radio, which I'm going to review very quickly, or very soon, that doesn't supply a battery. Again, probably for the same reason, so you have to have your own battery, 18650. And then the last question I asked was about the WT-scan-mode function. This function their response was, this function is only applicable to shortwave air, VHF, UHF. And they tell me how to turn it on, which that's what I had a trouble with, but they gave me instructions how to do it, and I'm going to have to try that. I haven't tried that. So it does, apparently that function works, but I haven't tried it. So I'll do that, and I'll do a video on that once I learn correctly how to do that. So that's the answers. They responded in like 2 days. Unfortunately, I lost their email with response. So I'm very happy with their customer support, Retekess customer support. I really like this radio. I like all the radios I've trusted from them, and I hope to get some newer ones. There's one that I don't remember the model number, but it's been out about a year, and they had what they call a collaboration where they gave out radios to YouTube people, and they told me that, no, I missed that. It will come up again. So I'm looking forward to testing that. That's it. Have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.